Good morning, friends and neighbors. May 17th, 4:30 p.m. a.m. Hey, Leroy, what's happening? Good to go, I guess. What's that? I don't know. Biggest one I ever seen, I believe. Thought at first it might be a rocket taking off, one of them new SpaceX jobs, you know, they talking about launching, but I think with Obama killing NASA, I don't know, maybe they're setting up bottle rockets now. Weird looking though. No, that ain't no bottle rocket. See the other one over there? Mother trucker. What'd you say, Leroy? Your mother's a trucker? She drive them big rigs? That's the same as trucking mother? Now there's your one. Look at that one. If you can zoom in on that a little bit more, Leroy. Yeah, well, that's too bright. For my eyes, anyway. Guess y'all heard about that Ring of Fire? Johnny Cash wrote that song. But I'm talking about the one, you know, where the moon comes between the earth and the sun. Whoa, look at that. Gorgeous. Changes colors too, didn't it? That's wild. Yeah, they said they found one out there over Denver, but Air Force said it wasn't, so. You never know. Trove. It is different. Where'd they go, Leroy? I don't know. I'm still thinking about your mom driving the truck. Oh, no, my mom doesn't drive a truck. I thought your mom drove a truck. No. No, she don't drive no truck. Well. Seem to be staying longer in our galaxy, don't they? Look at that. Whoa, now there. That's different. I'll tell you. That's something you just don't see often. Obama's not important at the moment, is he? He never has been. No, you're right, he never has been. I can't wait till he is a has-been. Where'd they go? Looks like lining up to take off, I guess. And 1, 2, 3, we are gone.